Hi guys, here we are on Google Draw, and I just wanted to get you situated with showing you a couple different things. So I'm going to add a Bitmoji because you know I love Bitmoji, and we'll get started. Come on, Bitmoji, load. Here we go. All right, so I'm just going to take this one, FYI, because we can add a couple different things to that. All right, and then I'm going to insert another image. So we're going to nope, I can upload it from my computer, but we're not going to do that. We're going to search it. Image, search the web. Okay, and you know it opens that little window over here, and we're going to search for birds because, of course, I need birds around me. I don't like those, though, so I'm going to search for birds, clip art. Okay, so, I like these birds. These are perfect. Okay, so we're going to pick, don't take long like me. We'll go back up to the top. I'm going to pick this little bird singing, okay? Oh, there's two. All right, that's okay. And obviously it's too big. I'm going to close this out. And we will size it. So if you notice when I'm dragging it over my Bitmoji, it doesn't cover the content because all of the images in Google Draw have a transparent background so that you can put them anywhere you want. And I really like that because then you don't have all these background layers that are white and you can't really see the image behind it. Say I just want to change the order of things, I can go to arrange, change order, and I can send it backward. So look, now I only have one birdie. He's hiding behind this. Or I can bring it back, bring it to front. Okay. Another thing we can do is, this is where I inserted the text boxes for my student emojis. I like the little bubble text box. So I added the little text box in there. I don't really like this blue color, so I'm going to go up to fill color, and I'm going to pick a purple. Okay, so I have my purple there. You can make it transparent too if you want. I'm going to add a text box. Oh, sorry. I'm going to add a text box. All right, so I get this little cross, and I added my text box. I say, hi, guys. Okay. Now I'm done, and I can click on this little thing and I can make it closer to my mouth so it looks like it's coming out of my mouth. And look, I don't have any of that weird white background that's going to cover it. I don't like this color. I don't feel like it flows with my scene that I'm creating here. So I'm going to go back and change it and make it some weird yellow. It stands out now. You can change the text size. You can kind of do whatever you want with it. But I want you to create an image for your magnetic poetry. So make sure that you use the things that I just showed you, and we can add on from there. All right, have fun, guys.